example, the value of A is not 1. Pwede na 1. For example, 3x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. Yesterday, I said that the first step is you're going to divide the equation by the value of A. In this example, what's the value of A?
3 squared.
3. A here is equal to 3. So, we will divide the equation by 3. So, ang tibok equation, atong divide to 3. Okay? This is the first step. 3x squared divided by 3. Ila? 9.
1.
X squared.
Good.
Then, 11x divided by 3. This is 11 over 3x. Okay? Then 6 divided by 3. 2. Plus 2 equals 0. What is the next step? Okay, transpose the constant term to the right side. So we will group the terms, ang variable terms on the left side, constant term on the right side. So this will become x squared plus 11 over 3x equals 2 will become
0.
negative 2. Okay, next. We're going to complete the squares by adding to both sides the square of 1/2 the numerical coefficient of the linear term. In this example, this is 11 over 3x. What is the numerical coefficient? It's a numerical coefficient niya. Ha? Basta ang number before sa x? 11 over 3. So, atong paon ang iyang 1/2. 1/2 of 11 over 3 pinaman. 1 times 11? 2 times 3? 6. 11 over 6. Kung saan may natin yung 11 over 6? Ito yung square. 11 over 6 squared is equal to ila? 11 times 11. 11 squared. 22.
Dio, 11 ng 11. Dako ko tuloy. 121.
121.
Grabe.
Over 6 squared. Ila 6 squared. Di na 6 times 2. 36. So 121 over 36. This is the value that we're going to add to the left side and the right side of the equation. Diba? Mauna yung process? So we're going to have x squared plus 11 over 3x plus 121 over 36 plus negative 2 plus 121 over 6. Follow alin? Done. Next is we're going to express this one as a square of a binomial. So ano to na to kung mag-express na? We're going to put or make open, right open and close parentheses and square here. Then, ano sa mga variable yung gamit? X. Then, ano sa itong square? 11 over 6. So, plus 11 over 6 squared equals kaya ito pa-resolve. Negative 2 plus 121 over 6. Dire na na. So, negative 2 plus 121 over 36. What is the LCD? 36. This is over 1. So, 36 divided by 1. 36 times negative 2. How much?
Negative 2.
Ha? 36 times divided by 1 is 36 times negative 2. 36 times negative
8. Negative 18.
18. Negative 72. So this is negative 72. Then 36 divided by 36 times 121. 121. How much is 121 minus 72? 121 minus 72. Kila?
33, sir.
33.
39, sir.
Kila na eh? 39.
49 lang, sir.
Kila? 49. Kuha ang imo tayo, 39 ang imo. So 49 over 36. So, negative 2 plus 121 over 36 is equivalent to 49 over 36. Mga natin butang, okay. So, equals 49 over 36. Di ba, may equivalent niya, di ba? Sometimes, kasi sunod. What's next?
A square root.
Okay, extract the square roots. Extract. What is the square root of quantity of x plus 11?
11 out x plus
Plus 11 over 6 equals square root of 49 over 36. 7 over 6. Usa na, usa? Okay, duha plus minus 7 over 6. Okay, next step.
wala
What's the
na
next step?
6 man na.
Ha? Square root of 49, 7. Square root of 36, 6. Okay. Sunod. Kung sunod nga is...
A pa sila.
Okay, we're going to transpose 11 over 6 to the right side. So, mahimo ni siya
X equals
negative. So, x equals negative
11
11 over 6
Plus
plus minus 7 over 6. Okay, kapalaw. So, there are two values here, negative 11 over 6 plus 7 over 6, or x equals negative 11 over 6. Ano sa man? Minus 7 over 6. Okay? So, these are similar fractions after I copy ang denominator. The denominator here is 6. So, negative 11 plus 7, negative 4. Negative 4. So, this is negative 4 over 6. At I simplify, kailan simplest form sa negative 7 over 6? Negative 2 over 3. This is the first value of x, negative 2 over 3. Second one, this is 6 here. Negative 11 minus 7 is negative 18 divided by 6. Kailangan?
3.
3? 4? Negative divided by positive.
Ay, negative 3.
Negative. So the answer is negative 2. So our answer will be x equals negative 2 over 3 or x equals negative 3. So these are the values of x.
Taas kita yun.
Lisod sa yun.
Medium.
So
Medium.
just follow the steps. Oh, dapat lagi siguro. Any question with example number 1? Ang kana asa man dapat ang libog? Sabtan ra? This one? Plus 2. 6 divided by 3. Ato man yung divide ang equation. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Isa pa. Question. Okay na? Sige.